For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, Troystarz trucking. Thanks for tuning in. And in this video, basically I'm just gonna buy some parts for my truck. The hose that I mentioned in the last video about the pre-trip, I'm gonna buy that hose for my truck. I'm going to the Volvo dealer. I'm actually at home. I don't know, that there's nothing going on the load board for Landstar. It's not looking good, you know what I mean? There's no good loads on there, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna get in my car. I'm gonna go to the Volvo dealer and I'm gonna buy the hose. And then after I get there, I'm gonna go by the cat dealer to get that sample, that oil sample kit that I was mentioning to you guys about, the oil sample. Remember, I'm using a different oil in my truck that I wanted to test it after a couple thousand kilos. You know what I mean? I want to test that oil to see where it's at, what's going on, and you know what I mean, and compare it along with the arms oil that I normally use. So that's my mission for today. So thanks for tuning in. It's Troystarz trucking, and stay tuned. I have a lot more stuff to show you guys. Also, I also went in New York City. I went for a tour. You know what I mean? Look at the Statue of Liberty. And also, I also was in Manhattan at the night. And I think I'll put it in this video just to show you guys a footage of what was happening, you know what I mean? Where I was and, all of that. Just to show you guys I was there, and, if you like it, leave me a comment or not. So, like I said, Troystarz trucking. Yes, YouTube, Troystarz. Yeah, I came to my first stop. Like I told you guys, I'm coming to the Volvo dealer to get the hose. I mentioned I buy the hose and I buy 2 clamps along with the hose. You know what I mean? So this is the hose. This is the one I got for the top of the radiator, the one that I showed you guys at the crack into it. So I purchased it. And the cost for it is $113. That's 113 Canadian dollars. Let me show you guys. There it is. So the clamps are for $32 for the 2 of them. Am I seeing?
My God!
What am I looking at? Okay. All right. Basically, it is saying it's $60 for the hose and $38 for the 2 clamps. With tax comes to $130. Really? Okay. So I guess the clamps are very expensive. Hold on. Let me look at these clamps. So these are the clamps at 30. Really? So basically the clamps are almost expensive like the hose. So that's what I'm seeing right here. Might as well I go somewhere else to get these clamps. I guarantee these clamps are not so expensive in the truck stop. Hold on, I just checked online just now about the clamps, and the clamps are like $3 something.
My God!
I'm taking back these clamps. No, I'll work with the hose. The hose is for $6. That's okay. But $32 for 2 clamps? Like, really? No. Alright, I will buy different clamps. I'm gonna take back these 2. And, yeah, take it from there. YouTube! Troystarz trucking. Yeah, I went back in the Volvo dealer. And I returned the clamps. It was actually $44. I didn't check the tax. But I got it back. So, the 2 clamps cost me $44. The hose was $60, so I returned them. I don't really need them because at first, it's not like the clamps on the truck was broken or anything. I just wanted to change everything because, I'm just going to do the hose and all that, so I just buy the clamps also. But when I look at the price online in Canadian Tire, the clamps was, what is it again? $3. Unless the clamps that was selling by Volvo was a different clamp than the one in Canadian Tire. So I'll prove them wrong or right, because I will buy those instead. Well, That being said, I went to Cat dealership to get the oil sample kit because I want to do this oil sample at Cat because I heard that their system is the best. So I wanted to do it and take it there so that they could give me a proper result and stuff. And also so I could compare the oil like I said before. No, I didn't get to do that, so I have to do it a different day. But that being said, I have a video where I went to New York. I went to Manhattan and I went on a small tour cruise on the New York City, where I went on the Brooklyn Bridge, the first Spring Bridge, whatever. And also I went to see the Statue of Liberty, but I was in the sea on the cruise boat thing. You know what I mean? So I have those videos. So I'm gonna put it after this. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, you know, we are truckers, but we don't do a lot of stuff sometimes. We're in the truck, yes, we go to places. We go to New York a lot of time, but we haven't, well, talking for myself, come out the truck and say, you know, let's go there, let's go there. You know what I mean? I just do my work and that's it. So I get the chance to do it now, and I see that you guys like the cruise video that I put up the other day. You guys, you know, said I should do it. So I did this one, and I'm saying, you know what, let's share it with my fans. It's nothing great, you know what I mean? You're just walking down in Manhattan and go look at the tower that got bombed down or whatever. And, you know what I mean, I was on the cruise or whatever. But anyway, let me know if you guys like this type of video, or let me know if I do anything like this, I should actually do it again or don't do it anymore or whatever. I'm working with you guys, whatever you guys said. So thanks for tuning in to this Troystarz Trucking, and there's a next time I will go and get that sample kit thing. You know what I mean? So peace, respect, and thanks. Troystarz Trucking.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Congratulations.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight.
more videos like this, please subscribe.